Meaning of gangbusters.
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 Gangbusters. Gangbusters refers to something that is extremely successful or productive, often beyond expectations. The term originated in the 1930s from a popular American radio show called Gangbusters, which featured thrilling tales of law enforcement officers fighting against notorious criminals and gangs. Today, gangbusters is commonly used to describe a situation, event, or individual that is achieving remarkable success or producing impressive results. For example, a company might be described as having a gangbusters year if they exceed their sales targets and achieve record profits. Overall, gangbusters is a high-energy, positive term that connotes exceptional achievement and unparalleled success.